If you guess the price right, sa'yo na siya. Hi everyone, and we're back here at our favorite foodie destination in Dubai, Hong Gourmet Hypermarket. And today is extra special because today is budget shopping day. We have 20 dirhams with us. Let's see what we can buy at Hong Gourmet Hypermarket with 20 dirhams. And then later on, we're gonna give away those items to lucky diners and shoppers here at Hong Gourmet Hypermarket. So let's go. So we're done with our shopping here at Hong Gourmet Hypermarket. Di ko lang sure kung swak ba to sa ating 20 dirham budget, but let's see. Uy, 1996! Wow! Magaling pala ako sa math.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa shopping natin. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go around Hong Gourmet Hypermarket and we're gonna talk to random people here and see if they can guess the price of these items. If they guess correctly, then we'll give them the item. First stop is this one here.
Is it 10 dirhams?
10 dirhams?
Lower.
Lower?
Okay, like, okay, 550.
Lower.
Really? 350.
But since you're a good sport, we're gonna give it to you anyway. Enjoy. Sa tingin mo, magkano to?
350?
A little higher, pero pwede na rin because you're a good sport. Bigay na namin to sa'yo.
How much is this?
That's actually on promo right now. It's 3.99. Yes. Hi. If you guess the price right, sa'yo na siya. Magkano kaya to sa tingin mo?
6.
How much?
6.
6 dirhams?
4 dirhams? 4 dirhams?
Actually, this is 5 dirhams. Yes, yes. So, but since you're a good sport, bigay na namin sa inyo. Hi, ma'am. If you can guess the price of these items, sa inyo na. Okay? So, let's start with this one. How much do you think this one is?
Is it maybe 12?
12 dirhams. 12 dirhams, okay? How about this one? How about this one?
Is it 10?
10?
10.
Okay. There's one more. There's one more. How much do you think this one is?
Is it 6?
6 dirhams. Ikaw naman, ma'am. Ito, try natin si ma'am. So, let's start with this one, ma'am. Magkano po kaya to sa tingin nyo? That's a vitamin C candy.
Maybe 6.
6 dirhams. 6 dirhams daw. Ito, ma'am, magkano naman sa tingin mo to? This is a choco-filled cupcake.
2.
Alright, and how about this one po? Ito. How much do you think that one is?
Maybe 8.
8. Okay. Actually, your guesses are all wrong. but, come here. Because you're very cute and because you answered our questions, you're gonna get all of that. So, you can keep it all. Okay, that's already paid.
Thank
Here,
you.
you can keep it in the
Thank
bag.
you.
You're welcome. Thank you for shopping at Hong Gourmet Hypermarket.